Hello, my name is Voya and welcome to my deep guide. Today is a very short video and I'm just kind of asking for some feedback from existing or potential My Daily Organizer users, because I am now preparing it and I'm in process of actually working on it. And first of all, a couple of details regarding the My Daily Organizer for 2022. The number one question that has been popping up is, when is it going to come out? The planned release and the planned development is for early September this year. So that's something that I'm going to be working very hard to try and achieve. It looks good so far, but with the hand and the whole shoulder thing still being an issue. I mean, I still can't write properly and stuff like that, but I can at least do some typing and I can do some mouse work. So that's a movement in the correct direction, so I can actually proceed the work on the My Daily Organizer for 2022. There's going to be quite a few improvements, and I'm very, very thankful for all of the feedback and all of the support for the previous version. It really means a lot, and the ton of constructive feedback that I've actually received will ensure that the version for 2022 is going to be a lot more to your liking. I'm not going to go through the whole list of things, but most of the stuff that people have been requesting is going to be a part of the My Daily Organizer 2022. One of the main differences is that there's going to be a lot more versions available in the package that you actually download. So you will have finally the ability to choose if the entire organizer is using the Monday start or the Sunday start standard, because different regions use different standards. The same goes for 12 versus 24-hour time format in the daily planner, and a multitude of other things. Now the feature list is pretty much set in because everything is now in place and scheduled and designed and everything like that. But there was a couple of things that I just wanted to do, like a sanity check, and see if the collected results and my own personal interpretation of certain things, how does it coincide with the real world user feedback? And that leads me to this video and the questionnaire that you will see in the link below. So I formed a very, very simple and a very short questionnaire, 9 questions, and they are with offered answers. So it should take roughly about 60 seconds to go through it, or maybe 90 seconds to go through it. But your participation would be very, very valuable to me, and it would ensure that the My Daily Organizer 2022 has the right type of focus, right? So that's something that I want to achieve, and that's the purpose of the questionnaire. So my request is that primarily people who have already purchased My Daily Organizer and have been using it, any time frame is viable, be it 2 months, 1 month, 1 week, it doesn't matter. For however long time you have been using it, I am very much interested in your opinion and you filling out this questionnaire. Now, also some people who are thinking about getting the My Daily Organizer, they may also participate because some of the questions do pertain to their feedback as well. So just follow the link down below for the My Daily Organizer questionnaire, and if you could kindly just answer those 9 questions, I would be very, very grateful, and you would help to ensure that the My Daily Organizer for 2022 is as good as I can make it to be. That's it. It's a very short video. It's been a tough week, so that's why I don't have a longer second video. I attempted to work on the Rowrite review, but that didn't end well, so I couldn't really write properly, so this whole thing is still a recovery in progress. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for the support for the My Daily Organizer. It's a fantastic thing to actually have that, that people are finding it useful and that people are using it daily. That's something that I am really, really happy about. So it's a huge motivational boost, and it's a huge thing for me to try and make the version for 2022 even better. So thank you guys a ton. And if you participate in the questionnaire, thank you once more. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye.